Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Divisional Public School and Inter-College Sahiwal's online class. Students, this is maths lesson and its topic is number in words 21 to 40. And I am your presenter, AYESHA FAIZ. Students, in your previous lesson, you have already learned about number in words from 0 to 20. So now, in today's lesson, we will learn about number in words from 21 onwards. Let's have a look on number in words you have learned before. Look. Here are some numbers and their number names. Number in words are also called number names. So there are some numbers and their number names like 1, ONE1, 2, TWO2, 3, THREE3, 4, FOUR4, 5, FIVE5, 6, SIX6, 7, SEVEN7, 8, EIGHT8, 9, NINE9, 10, TEN10. Here are numbers with the number names from 11 to 20. Let's revise them. 11. ELEVEN. 11. The number name is 11. And the spelling are ELEVEN. Likewise, 12. TWELVE. 12. 13. THIRTEEN or THIRTEEN. 14. FOURTEEN. 14. 15. FIFTEEN. 15. 16. SIXTEEN. 17. SEVENTEEN. 17. Next, 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. 19. NINETEEN. 19. The last one is 20. TWENTY. 20. So now students, we have revised the previous number in words from 0 to 20, and in today's lesson we will learn number in words from 21 to 40. Let's start. Number in words or number names 21 to 40. First number is 21 and the number name is TWENTY. 20. ONE1. 21. Next, 22. And the number name is TWENTY. 20. TWO2. 22. Next is 23. And the number name is TWENTY 20, THREE 23. Next 24. We will write the number name for 24 as TWENTY 20 FOUR 4. $25. TWENTY 20 FIVE 5. 25. Next is 26. TWENTY 20 SIX 6. 26. 27. TWENTY 20 SEVEN 7. 27. Next 28. And the number name is TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8. 28. 29. TWENTY 20 NINE 9. 29. 30. Number name for 30 is very easy and short. Look. THIRTY 30. Next is 31. THIRTY 30 ONE 1. 32. THIRTY 30 TWO2 32. 33. THIRTY 30 THREE 33. 34. THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. 34. 35. And the number name is THIRTY 30 FIVE 5. 35. 36. THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 36. 37. THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7. 37. Next is 38. THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8. 38. 39. Look at the number and the number name. 39. THIRTY 30 NINE 9. 39. And the last one is 40. 40. Number name is FORTY 40. So students, we have seen that how we will write the numbers and their names. Now it's time for an activity. You have to tell me the number names. Some numbers are written and you have to tell me their number name. Or you have to tell me their spelling, that how to write number name. The first one is 29. Okay, hurry up, tell me its number name. Hurry up. Yes. 29. TWENTY 20 NINE 9. 29. Next is 34. Tell me the spelling of this number name. Yes, it's THIRTY 30 FOUR 4. 34. Next is 37. Tell me its number name. Hurry up. Yes, its number name is THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7. 37. The last one is 39. Okay, students, tell me its number name. Good. Tell me. Hurry up. Yes, it is THIRTY 30 NINE 9. 39. Very well done, students. You have done the activity. Now it's time for home task. Learn numbering words from 21 to 40. Students, you have to learn these number names thoroughly. This is your home task. Now it's done for today. Take care of yourself and your families. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.